Alright guys, Model Rocks 321 here, back with another video. This is an unboxing of sorts. This is directly from Estes. I did not place an order. Thanks to Estes for hooking me up with whatever's in here. This is going to be cool to unbox. As you see it right there, Penrose, Colorado, Estes LLC. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get this open. Let's see what we got going on. Straight from Penrose, from Estes. Let's see what we got, guys. This is pretty cool. Appreciate Estes so much. You know, it's amazing, like, you know, you grow up, buying their products and flying their rockets. I mean, years and years ago, and now it's come full circle. Okay, so what do we have? All right, so we have a card here. Let's check this out. A little card to me. All right, and all right, there we got Estes right there. It says ignite your imagination. Okay, thank you for being a part of the Estes family as an influencer. Apologize for not being able to send the 65th anniversary rocket. It sold so fast we weren't able to get our hands on any. I hope you enjoy this hat and pin. The pin won't be available to the public for a couple of months. This is pretty cool. Estes, thank you. Appreciate this so much. Oh man, this is nice, guys. This is real cool. Real cool. So apparently it's a hat and a pin. Check that out. Nice. Nice. Snapback. Okay. Trucker style snapback. I will be wearing this. If not at the launch, it will get worn. Guaranteed. Possibly at the launch. I like that. I need the sun protection, but this is super cool. So there's a hat. Nothing else down there. And this pen. I'm gonna take this out of the back. I see it's the 65th anniversary pen. Looks kind of glittery and shiny. All diamond encrusted. Oh man, this is cool. This is cool. Check that out. Man, that's nice. Look at that. Wow, so you heard it here, guys. These won't be available for the next couple months, but I got my hands on one. And I got this hat. Super cool, Essie. That'll probably go right on the hat. That is so cool. And that hat matches the sticker. Some of you probably got, let me get that. I already put the sticker. My sticker is on my bottle already. So there's the 65th anniversary, boxes in the way. There's the 65th anniversary sticker. So that matches that right there. That piece is this pen. Nice. Estimated 1958 when the company first came aboard or came online. It wasn't online at the time, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, check that out. This is nice. This is nice. Super cool. Super cool. Really nice pen. Really nice pen. And nice hat. Man, thanks Estes. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Yes. So there it is, guys. You saw it here first. I'm not going to keep you all day, but nice gift from Estes, straight from Penrose. So there we have it. Ignite your imagination. Got this pen, and I got this hat from Estes. Thanks. Appreciate you guys. Model Rocks 321, guys. Of course, you already know about the discount code. Use the discount code. Subscribe to the channel. Thumb up the button. I'm going to bring you all kind of deals when I see them. That's another thing I'm going to be doing. If I see deals online somewhere, I'll be sharing them in the community section. So go in there, place the order if you see something cheap, something I may recommend, because I know I kind of got my pulse on it. Certain kits I think may become collectible, may not be. I mean, I'm just kind of winging it, but hey, I've seen kits that I gotten, and next thing you know, they go out of production and they fly sky high, no pun intended, on eBay. So it's Model Rocks 321. Thank you again, Estes. Appreciate this. This is awesome. You guys are awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. It's Model Rocks 321, and I'm out.